shameless man. Did I ask you to go to the market and get food stuff and come and cook for me? Are you okay? To the market! Get out!
Something like that. I was tired, so I needed to just relax more.
Tired doing what? Tired doing what, Wale? Out! I'm hungry!
I know, but just give me like just 10 minutes.
Are you okay?
Just 10 minutes. Let me just quickly rest.
I said stand up and go to the market! Stand up and get out.
There's no got into this now.
God, why you? What is it? You're talking back at me.
Small rest like this. Somebody wants to rest now. You are doing like this.
Are you okay? Okay, get out.
Have you sent the money? I use my own money to go be buying everything.
Myself talking to
Wale,
Yes.
I want you to massage my leg.
Which one?
This one.
This one. Bring it. Hi.
I'm not massaging it pure now.
Hey, but I'm doing it now.
In fact, I don't want the massage again.
Let me help you to do the second leg then.
I don't want. Wale, get me a fresh juice.
Juice, is that what you want?
Yes.
Do you want it cold or ordinary?
Wale, go and get me juice, cold one.
It's just that one. Okay, I'll come here. I'll make sure it's very cold.
Okay.
See, very cold juice. Straight from the fridge.
Thank you. Wale, take it and drop it there for me.
Drop what?
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Take this and drop it there.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Shut up, Jory. Sit down.
I should shut up.
I said you should sit down.
Are you normal? Are you alright? Are you okay? Do you know who you're talking to?
Wale, are you mad?
Hey, what's your word though? What's your mouth?
I'll confess. I'll confess.
What are you confessing? Tom, what's up? What's happening here? What's going on here?
I need to see Baba.
If I can get you correctly, You want me to lock your boyfriend for you?
Yes, madam.
Don't worry, you are at the right place. Agabaidu! Ha 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 ha. Now, you will lock this padlock. Place your hand here. As we are locking it, you will call his name 3 times. What's his name?
Wale.
Wale. Wale.
Wale.
Wale.
Wale.
Wale.
Wale.
That's it. And mind you, there is a repercussion for this. Make sure when you are done with him, when you don't have anything to do with him anymore, unlock it. And when you are unlocking it, make sure he is nowhere close to you. After unlocking it, don't ever go close to him. You guys should not see each other again. Failure to do so, anything that comes out of that, you are on your own. Now go! Go!
Baba said when I'm done with him, I should throw this away. Oh, I can never be done with him. We die in this relationship. Let me just throw this away.
Oh,
Sorry.
nice one. You are sorry for yourself. Wow. So this is everything that you've been doing and you've done.
I'm sorry.
Why? For what reason?
Because I love you.
Oh no, that is not love. I see. Thank God I am back now, though.
Only please.
No, you don't need to even apologize. You don't need to beg no more. What I would advise you is just get up. Eh? I understand. It's love. Yes. Too many things. Love can cause so many things. I see what love has cost here. So sorry. Sorry. I am really sorry for what you did. So I actually understand everything you did. It's for the better. I know it's because you love me and you wanted to be with me. So now, thank God everything went as it went. And get out of the house! Get out of there! Out of this place! Out! Nonsense! Going all fetish because of what you call that love. What love is that?